Hey guys, so I feel good working back on the car. Yeah. So I got everybody screwed in. The panel is locked into where I need it to be. I put screws every other one so I can really suck in the panel and get a really tight fit as much as I can. All right. Um, Now down here looks a little funny. It looks like there's a monster cave over here, but I just haven't gotten to here yet because I'm gonna actually hammer this down in a little to get this to conform with the rest of this surface. Okay, that's one. Here, I've tightened up. Now, where I have a question, please comment below if you know the answer. Is you can see I can fit my finger over here. This panel, this B pillar, actually comes too long. I had to chop it. And apparently, I chopped too much. So, I have to fill in this gap. Now, this looks intimidating, but it's very easy to do. My options, if I want it to be like maybe a 1/16 of an inch, I have some copper. And what I did was I get some 3/4 copper from Home Depot. Let's see if I got some around, or a 1/2 inch, whatever. And I make something like this, and I could slide it underneath and then weld, and I will have it this thickness from here, and I could just remove this because weld won't stick to copper. Okay, so that's option one, and then I guess it gets filled because I believe when I removed what was here, it was brazing. I don't know if that was factory, if it was done by somebody just trying to make the car look better. Okay, so let me know if you know what I should do about this. All right, so that is my thing one. Second is here. I don't know. Maybe I'm being anal. I'm probably being anal. But I don't know if this is supposed to be flush over here. Wait. I know what to do. It's the thing I advise. Keep one side of your car. Do one side at a time so you have the other side as a reference. You see these guys taking off the whole car, and it's great when you probably have done this for 15 years, but for someone like me, no. So if we look here, there's a gap too, but it looks like they have some filler. Yeah, it looks like there's some old filler there, but this spot here is where the B pillar ends, and then this flange recess ends over here. So that makes me feel a little better. Okay, so guess it's really just that question about that bottom section and what to do there. Do I make it go down to here flush, or do I weld the two pieces together, basically? Other than using the copper, I'm going to use that other trick where I use a TIG wire and then help me to fill in this gap. This TIG wire is stiff enough and I could conform it, and it'll be a real quick process for me to fill in this maybe 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch gap. Okay, so that's all I got for updates. It's exciting times. I'll be able to get to the other pillar and get this car closer to epoxy. All right, cheers.